Welcome to my review of Narakeet Usage Experience. Narakeet is a text-to-speech and video creation tool designed to streamline the process of creating voiceovers and videos from written content. It's aimed at creators, educators, marketers, and anyone looking to produce high-quality videos without the need for professional recording equipment. One of the standout features of Narakeet is its ability to convert text into natural-sounding speech in multiple languages. You can choose from a range of voices, including male, female, and different accents, to suit the tone and style of your video. The platform also supports adding subtitles automatically, making it an excellent choice for anyone focused on accessibility. What sets Narakeet apart is its user-friendly interface, which allows even beginners to create videos in minutes. Simply upload your script, choose your voice, and the system generates the voiceover. You can then sync the voiceover with a video or a presentation, add background music, and make final adjustments. The ability to customize the voice speed, tone, and pronunciation adds a layer of flexibility that enhances the overall experience. Additionally, Narakeet allows you to add and edit text overlays, making it easy to produce polished videos with minimal effort. For those looking to enhance their workflow, Narakeet integrates with other platforms like Google Slides, which is a great time saver for those creating educational content or corporate presentations. The video export options are straightforward, with quality settings that suit different platforms, ensuring your final product is optimized for YouTube, social media, or any other distribution method you choose. Narakeet also shines in its efficiency. The speed at which it generates voiceovers and videos is impressive, allowing creators to focus on content without getting bogged down in the technicalities of audio production. The pricing is competitive, offering value for money, especially considering the wide range of features and customization options available. In conclusion, Narakeet is a powerful tool for anyone looking to create professional quality videos and voiceovers quickly and easily. Whether you're an educator, marketer, or content creator, it offers a straightforward solution with impressive results. Its intuitive interface, voice customization options, and integration with other platforms make it an essential tool for modern creators looking to save time while producing polished content.